In this problem, the alpha value, that is current gain in CB mode, is given. Its value is 0.99 volt. And then VBE, voltage across base emitter, is also given. Its value is 0.7 volt. Here silicon, that transistor, it is made up of silicon. But the thing is, in the problem, it is mentioned that the transistor, it is in saturation region. Since this transistor, it is in saturation region, both the two given data cannot be used. Both alpha value as well as VBE value, both cannot be used. Here I will show you the value of VBE and VCE from the data sheet. From the data sheet, it is mentioned that VCE at saturation is 0.2 volt. VBE at saturation should be taken as 0.8 volt to get the textbook answer. So both the two values are obtained from data sheet. Now the Kirchhoff's second law, that is to be applied in the output circuit. In the case of output circuit, look at that current IC plus IB, both are flowing through the 1000 ohm resistance. Later IC plus IB both split into IB and IC. Again the current is passing, IC is passing through 1000 ohm. Here IE, what is IE? IE is a sum of IB plus IC. So by using all the values in the output, we can write the equation using Kirchhoff's second law. IB plus IC into 1000 plus IC into 1000 plus 0.2. What is 0.2? VCE value at saturation is called 0.2. Plus IB plus IC is equal to IC into 1000 is equal to volt. Across plus VCC and minus VCC, what is the value of voltage? 12 volt. So after simplification, you will be getting the first equation. 2000 IB plus 3000 IC is equal to 11.8. Now we have to apply the Kirchhoff's voltage law in the input circuit. Look at there, IB plus IC, the total current that passes through 1000 ohm, and then IB is passing through 10K, and VBE value from the data sheet is 0.8. Again IB plus IC that passes through 1000 ohm. Are you clear? So these are all the values which are available in the input circuit. If you add the product of the current and resistance in the input circuit, that one will be equal to the sum of the EMF across two ends, two extreme ends, that is in between plus VCC and minus VCC. How much voltage is there? 12 volt. So substitute in the formula which is obtained from Kirchhoff's second law. The final expression will be 12,000 IB plus 2000 IC, which is equal to 11.2. Already we have got the equation, first equation as 2000 IB plus 3000 IC is equal to 11.8. This first equation to be multiplied by 6. After multiplying with 6, you will get 12,000 IB plus 18,000 IC, which is equal to 70.8. Now the equation, that one becomes third equation. Already we have got the second equation. The second equation can be written as 12,000 IB plus 2000 IC is equal to 11.2. Now third equation minus second equation, that is second equation to be subtracted from third equation. So what will happen? In both the two equations, 12,000 IB is there, sign is changed, therefore we can cancel both. The remaining thing is 16,000 IC, which is equal to 59.6. Therefore IC is equal to 59.6 divided by 16,000. Finally you will be getting 3.725 into 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere. So the final answer will be 3.73 milliampere.